Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Foxtecc. In this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to open a Google Drive link on your iPhone. Let's get right into it. First, you'll need to find the Google Drive link that someone shared with you. This could be in a message conversation, an email, or anywhere else you might have received it. Once you locate it, simply tap on the link. If you don't have the Google Drive app installed on your iPhone, the link will open in Safari or your default web browser. However, if you already have the Google Drive app on your iPhone, the link should automatically open in the app. This makes things more convenient and offers a better experience for managing your files. Now keep in mind that not all Google Drive links are the same, even if they look similar. For example, one link might take you to a single photo, while another might give you access to an entire folder of files. What you see will depend on what was shared with you. Another important thing to consider is the permissions attached to the link. Depending on what the sender has allowed, you might have permission to just view the contents, leave comments, or even edit the files. But sometimes you might not have any permissions at all, and this could be why you can't access the content. I've come across several cases where people had a valid link but couldn't open or view anything. This often happens because of the restrictions set by the person who shared the link. If that's the case, I recommend reaching out to the source of the link to check what permissions they've given you and ask for the right access if necessary. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on iPhone and iPad features. See you later.